Russia has allegedly told its officials to get families home. And this comes over the prospects of a new global war, but you need to keep in mind that these are just reports coming out, so they're not confirmed. But that mostly comes on the back of the United States after they broke negotiations with Russia due to the failure to secure a truce in Syria. So you've got comments from Russian President Vladimir Putin saying that he's cancelled a trip to France, where President Francois Hollande has said that Russia could face war crimes over its bombardment of the Syrian city of Aleppo, and that has caused quite a stir in the global community. So foreign ministers from the US and Russia, along with some allies, will meet on Saturday and try and resume talks on Syria. But that's not all on the policy front. The minutes from the US Federal Reserve's September meeting show that 3 members of the Federal Open Market Committee dissented and called for a rate hike. Now, that's quite a departure from what we usually see, where normally there's mutual consensus. Now, that has raised expectations for a rate hike, causing nervousness among investors, so which is probably why you're seeing the S&P and Dow futures trading lower. That combined with weak trade data from China, and that hasn't helped matters either. So the data from there shows that China's exports tumbled nearly 10% year-on-year in dollar terms, and around 5.6% in yuan terms, while imports dipped 1.9% from the previous year. So they're seeing demand low at home as well as abroad. On the commodity front, like we just told you, crude prices continue to be volatile, and this mostly because the data from OPEC shows that oil production has risen to the highest level in 8 years. Now, that news coming close on the heels of comments from Saudi and Russia last week saying that the cartel is trying to reach a deal to cut output soon, but they continue to, what seemingly analysts say, jawboning the market. So, in fact, we'll discuss that further.